Hello everyone. Next we are going to take two layers and then applying a clip on the top. After that taking some more layers and joining them to the clip. After that one by one we're gonna complete all our hair, and then to the remaining hair we are going to take them and join them to the rest. Next we are going to take layer from one side and making a braid, and then we are going to loosen the hair and applying these clips. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we are applying a clip at the back and then taking some layers and joining them to the clip, and your beautiful and simple hairstyle is done. Next we are going to take a clip, inserting it in our hair, and then we are going to take some layers, 2 to 3 layers from each side, and then your hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to take one layer from the back and then 2 layers from each side, securing it with a rubber band, and then repeating same step and joining them onto each other, and then at last we are making a ponytail and converting it into a simple low bun. Next we are going to take 2 layers from each side and then joining them together, and then we are going to pass them through each other. Next we are going to repeat this step again and then making a ponytail and converting it into a simple heart low bun. At last we are applying a rubber band to it. Next we are taking layers from both the sides and then joining them together, forming it into a simple bun. Next we are going to take 2 layers from each side, joining it with the rubber band. Then we are going to loosen it and then making a braid from rest of the hair and converting it into a bun, at last securing it with some clips. Next we are going to take layers from one side and making this simple braid as shown. We are taking parts one by one and join them to the another side of our hair. When the another side is done, we are taking whole hair and then making simple braid from that side. Then we are going to join it and then applying this beautiful clip. Next we are going to take layers from each side, folding it together by twisting them, and then we are going to join them together with the help of a bun.